Hello. Do you skip breakfast to lose weight? Did you know that people who eat breakfast tend to have healthier habits, are less likely to be overweight or obese, and have a lower risk of chronic diseases? In this video, I'll share the 7 best foods to include in your breakfast to make it healthier, more nutritious, improve your mood and concentration, and give you more energy for the day. Some breakfasts are healthier than others, and I'll show you how to start your day right. But first, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and hit the notification bell. It's also important to share this knowledge with your friends and family, because our health is worth sharing. 7 best foods for breakfast. What's the best breakfast? It's definitely not ultra-processed foods you find in the cereal aisle. You want a breakfast that gives you energy and keeps you full until lunch. Here are 3 key elements for a healthy breakfast: protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These will help you stay fuller for longer. Unlike refined carbohydrates that spike your glucose, causing a quick energy crash. Why proteins? Protein reduces appetite and helps you feel full for longer by lowering ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and increasing peptide YY, the hormone that makes you feel full. It also boosts muscle mass and strength, supports bone health, and increases metabolism. Protein burns more calories through digestion compared to fats and carbs. Why fats? Not all fats are bad. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats, but embrace healthy fats like monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocado and nuts, and polyunsaturated fats found in fish like salmon and sardines. These fats improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. Why fiber? Fiber helps keep you full and regulates digestion. Soluble fiber, found in apples, beans, and oats, dissolves in water and helps lower cholesterol, while insoluble fiber, found in sweet potatoes, wheat bran, and nuts, adds bulk and helps maintain digestive health. Let's dive into the 7 best breakfast foods. 7. Eggs. Eggs are nutrient-dense and affordable. They're packed with vitamins A, D, and B12 and contain over 50% of your daily choline needs. Choline supports brain function, memory, and mood. Eggs are versatile. You can fry them in olive oil, boil them, scramble them, or make omelets with veggies like spinach and tomatoes. 6. Oatmeal. Oats are 100% whole grain and rich in fiber, plant protein, iron, calcium, and magnesium. They contain beta-glucan, which lowers cholesterol and supports heart health. Add fruit, like bananas or strawberries, to your oatmeal for a complete, nutritious meal. 5. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is high in protein, calcium, and probiotics. It's a great source of gut-friendly bacteria. If you're not lactose intolerant, Greek yogurt is a great addition to your breakfast. Mix it with fruit for added fiber and vitamins. For smoothies, blend fruits with milk or yogurt for a quick and nutritious breakfast. You can add banana, apple, and peanut butter with a dash of cinnamon and yogurt or milk. It's full of vitamins and keeps you full all morning. 3. Green juice. Green juice combines leafy greens like kale, spinach, and mint with fruits like pineapple, lemon, or apple. It's a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option that you can easily customize. Just skip the sugar. 2. Fruits. Fruits are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Bananas, for example, are high in potassium and vitamin B6, which help with blood pressure and mood regulation. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are also excellent choices for boosting brain health and circulation. 1. Wholemeal bread. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber, which slows digestion and helps keep blood sugar steady. It also contains magnesium, selenium, and other minerals that support heart health. Toast a slice with olive oil. Add an egg, or spread some peanut butter for a balanced, nutritious breakfast. And what about coffee? Yes, coffee can be good for you. A daily cup of black coffee can boost your energy and reduce the risk of heart disease and liver problems. Just avoid adding sugar and don't drink it too late in the day. A healthy breakfast doesn't take much time to prepare, and it's essential for keeping your energy up and preventing diseases, especially heart conditions. So don't skip breakfast. Start your day with a balanced meal. Enjoyed the video? Remember to share it so that more people can benefit from this knowledge.